This is Rotractor Sakshi Parekh. I am currently the district joint secretary and I was the secretary 2020-21 for Rotract Club of SK Samaya College.
Hello everyone, my name is Rotractor Rupta and I am the Joint Community Service Director for Rotract District 3141 for the year 2021-2022.
Hello everyone, I am Rotractor Chintan Soni, Partners and Service Director for the year 21-22 for the Rotract District 314.
Hi, this is Rotractor Komal Tade, immediate past president of the Rotract Club of SK Somaya College and the Joint HRD Officer of RID 3141 2021-22.
This is Rotractor Shamail Sheikh here. I'm the Joint PR and Marketing Director of Rotract District 3141.
Hey guys, I'm Rotractor Jasri Karya, a Joint IS Director for Rotract District 3141 and a HRD Officer for Rotract Club of SK Somaya Degree College.
The hardships that I faced from transitioning from a college club to the district, you find it very difficult to manage, let's just say, for our year 80 people, but at the district end you are coordinating, in touch with, communicating with almost 120 clubs. So that is something that was very new and very challenging for me.
Transition from club to district for me is still new. I am still learning many things, but then definitely it is a bit different and you get more perspectives for different things. You come to learn more things, you come to know more and more people, and basically you get a chance to plan out and execute your events at a mega level.
I won't say I faced any hardships as such, but I would say that it was a bit difficult for me to, get to know new people and get into a new environment, working environment, and coordinating and organizing in a new way. So yeah, it wasn't really hard, but it was a bit different.
Being the president last year, I did see the district in a very close proximity when it comes to work, and now being part of it, I did not face any challenges per se. But yes, the club and the district are two different bodies, and when it comes to work and functioning, it's way different. So I did take a lot of time to adapt to the systems or the way the work is done. So I wouldn't say it was the problem, but yes, I did need a lot of time to adjust to it.
Working at a club level is very different, and when you work at a district level is very different. The way I thought that it will be, the way I thought that it would function, whatever I thought, it came out to be completely different, because at club levels we just think about the club, but at district level we think about hundreds of clubs. Okay, so it's a very different experience. You get to learn a lot of things. You know, from handling to 100 or 200 members, you have to handle thousands of members. So I feel like that I'm the CEO of the company, because here I'm getting all the experiences which I would need in my life in future. So it is actually very different, and it is actually very challenging in the beginning, but at the same time, along with the challenging part, it is also exciting in the beginning, because you're new in the district. So you are very enthusiastic कि give me some work, मुझे ये काम करना है, मुझे वो काम करना है, और जब तुम्हें काम मिल जाता है ना, then you're like, oh my god, I have to do so many things. So you know, it was that moment, because in the initial stage I was very enthusiastic, but later on you get to know, no, it is not that easy, or you don't have to take things that casually like you would have taken in the club, because if you take casually in the club, it would not affect much, but if you do that in district, it would obviously affect the workings of all the club. And yeah, I still enjoy working in club and district both give me two different experiences, and I still miss Rotract of SK Somaya College, because I have my heart there. I have begun my journey from there. So yeah, transiting from college club to district has been a very different different and a very roller coaster wala journey. But at the same time, I am loving it, and when I will look back and see, oh my God, from that club I am here. I feel so amazing.
When I first became a DCM, I was in a dilemma whether I would be able to live up to their expectations or not, as I didn't know many people over there.
When I got selected in the district, it was a very different feeling. I was obviously very excited, but at the same time I was, constantly thinking that what if I'm not able to do a good job, or what if I don't get along with people, what if I am not able to do my work right. But at the same time I knew that it's going to be one very, very different experience, and I was very excited for that.
Firstly, I did not expect that I'll be selected in the team community service for the district. But I still remember I was in the office in the evening and Rahul called me telling me you have been selected in the team community service for this year as a joint director, and I had no feelings. I was blank for almost half an hour after the call कि I have been selected, and I knew one or two people from the team, but maximum people were new for me for the team community service specifically, and now it's going great and I am loving working with these people.
So I applied for a different avenue than Partners in Service, but I got Partners in Service, and I was like, "Are you sure? Are you sure you want to give me Partners in Service?" And actually, no one from my team were expecting to be in this avenue. So it was mixed feelings. I was like, I'm in district council, but I am not in the avenue that I wanted to be in. But it was still a very happy moment.
I was very nervous during the interview, to be honest, and when I got a call from Kushal saying I've been selected as the joint HRD officer, I think I was very happy and very excited to work with the district because it was a new experience, and working with Kushal, Akshay and Durgesh and all the other team members, I think it was a great opportunity, and overall I was very excited to work with them.
God, this question's okay. My emotions are. This was completely unexpected because I am not a PR and marketing person, and I was selected in PR and marketing avenue. And after 3 years of Rotract period, I stepped into district. So after such a long journey, I got a chance to serve as a district director. I was into tears. It was the best moment of my Rotract journey, of my Rotract period. I even cannot explain you right now because I was so happy, because I was trying so hard. And finally I got selected. Actually I got selected in the mid-year. So the team required someone to join. And after the 6 months of the district year, I joined in the mid-year. So my journey started, and अचानक से I have to handle the club and district also. So it was kind of कि नहीं अब ये करना है. So एक responsibility वाला feeling था, एक emotional moment था क्योंकि रोट्रैक के साथ मेरा बहुत गहरा नाता है और अब मैं district में भी पहुंच गई. So it was a very butterfly moment.
Being someone who has always underestimated herself, it was like a surprising situation for me because I really thought my interview didn't go well. But here I am, ecstatic and grateful.
So I mainly joined Rotract to get to know people because I was very shy at the beginning of my college year. That is when I was in the first year. So mainly joined Rotract to get to know people. But this is back when I chaired my first event. I instantly understood that this is not going to be, something part-time, something that I'm doing just for the sake of it. I knew there's a lot more here, and that moment, me chairing my first event, was something that made me fall in love with Rotract. And I mean, obviously the people, I've literally found the best of friends here. So these are the two things that made me fall in love with Rotaract.
It's definitely not one thing, but then the people you get, the friends you have in Rotaract, or the bond you create with people, the networking you grow, the opportunities you get, the experiences, and at the end, obviously, yes, serving the community, like community service was one of the major things that attracted me to Rotaract, and I've been continuing it, and I will be continuing it.
So being an outsider, I was not from Mumbai, so I didn't have much friends in Mumbai. But Rotaract gave me a lot of friends, a lot of new connections, and I'm very, very thankful for that. And for that reason, and for giving me a lot of new experiences, I decided to continue Rotaract even after college.
I think the one moment that made me stay back or continue Rotaract was definitely when I was the club service director and I saw a change in me in 1 year, and the amount of change that happened in me, or people who came up to me and told me you've changed drastically and in a good way. I think that was when I realized the power Rotaract holds, or the happiness that I get being a part of Rotaract. So that was when I decided that this is something I would want to do long term.
To know that here you're not only for having fun or for serving the community or for just working, but here you get opportunities to grow and lead the club, or you get the positions of co-team member, HRD, vice presidents, board of directors, president. So I fell in love with Rotaract when I got to know that even I can earn that position, and here is the chances where you can explore each position. You can be a board of director, you can be a co-team member. So I was pretty amazed that yeah, even I want to be a core member one day, even I want to be a district member one day. So that passion to work more and get that position. That time I actually fell in love with Rotaract, that okay, I am liking this, I am loving this, I am loving to work hard to get that position. So it is not about working or having fun. It is also about you get something in return. You get to learn, you get those leadership powers and everything. And I decided to continue Rotaract even after colleges, because when I was in college and I was a part of Rotaract, I was a very, 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 very active Rotaractor since day one. I mean, as soon as I joined Rotaract, I was active as a GBM member. I used to attend all the district events, I have actually attended 90% of the events and projects, zonal projects, district project and everything. So अब वो आदत सी हो गई थी फिर कॉलेज में रह के तुम Rotaract कर रहे हो, अब फिर घर पे आके फिर वो एक ऑब्वियसली आई वुड हैव मिस्ड कि यार अगर मैं Rotaract में होती तो मैं ये कर सकती, मैं वो कर सकती, वो फ्रेंड मेरा इवेंट में जा रहा है तो मुझे भी आई वुड हैव ऑब्वियसली मिस्ड, क्योंकि वो एक आदत सी हो गई थी मुझे. सो या आई जॉइन Rotaract बिकॉज आई एम हैबिचुअल टू इट एंड आई वॉज हैबिचुअल टू इट व्हेन आई टुक द डिसीजन. सो इसलिए कॉलेज के बाद भी आई डिसाइडेड टू कंटिन्यू माई Rotaraction.
Rotaract is always close to my heart, and what makes it even more special is its people. Over a period of time, I have been a Rotaractor and I have never felt alone. We are here to support each other. No matter from where you come, you will always find a Rotaractor who will always help you.